Welcome back. Now, the verbiage used by Clipchamp for video editing is actually AutoCompose. And you're going to see it here in this button here on the front page. And we're going to click on AutoCompose. And you're going to see a dialog box. And in order to start the auto composition, you're going to give your video a title. And Microsoft Clipchamp will allow you to drag and drop or upload any media here so that the AI can use it to compose the actual video. Once you've added your media, you can then click Get Started. Now what's going to happen is that Clipchamp will then give you the opportunity to choose what the style will be. And so you can choose the style. And then you'll be asked whether you want your video to be landscaped or full length. You can choose it. Once you do that, you can then click Next. Clipchamp will give you the opportunity to add in music. You can select the music that you want. Once you've selected the music, you can either export the video or you can edit it in the timeline. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to click Export. Once the video completes its rendering, you can then download it to your hard drive. And your first pass at a video will have been created using AutoCompose. Now, what you can do is edit that video going to this area, and we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.